Hi all. So in this video, we are going to learn about the fallback strategy. So this is an extension strategy that you can use to update your logic of having a customized actions. So let us say if somehow the NBA strategy framework got failed. Okay. So if your trigger level strategy is failed, then you can use this fallback strategy to send some sample actions. Okay. Now let us quickly verify where this fallback strategy is getting executed. So this is my service REST container. So let me quickly open the activity. Okay. So open the main activity. So under the main activity in the step number 9, we will call the container v4. So under this, we will call execute real-time container. Just open this. Okay. So under this, we have in the step number 19, you can see we are calling the data flow, which is associated with the real-time container. So let us say if this data flow is failed, so that means that if the data flow is failed means it can fail in the strategy as well, right? So that means our trigger level strategy or GOS strategy or NBA strategy framework is failed. Then you can see in the jump step, if this particular 19th step is failed, then we are jumping to the later step called fallback. So which is the step number 20. So in the step number 20, we are setting dot response dot status is equal to error and dot response dot message is equal to error occurred in strategy execution. Results are from fallback strategy. And in the step number 22, we are executing Java. So in the Java, you can see we are running a data flow called container fallback DF. So this is the data flow container fallback DF. Okay. And this data flow we are getting executed in the step number 18 with the help of, in the step number of 21 with the help of do activity method. So let us quickly copy this data flow name, container fallback DF, and open this. So you have to open it from the data decision request. So because during the real-time container request, so the primary page of the data flow will be the data decision request customer CDH. Okay, so that is why we have to pick this particular data flow, and this is a single case processing because the source and destination both are abstract. So here we have a fallback strategy. So this fallback strategy is being executed with the decision mode as make decision. Okay, and just open this fallback strategy. So as you can see, this is available. You can just save as this into your application rule set and then update it with sample actions. Okay. So here you can see there is a sample set property. So here we are setting .py name. So py name is equal to please configure fallback strategy. That's it. Okay. So I'm not going to update this. Okay. So I will just make the container to fail. Okay. I will just make the container to fail by adding an exception inside the strategy. Okay. And let us see if this fallback strategy is getting executed. And let us also see if the py name is being set with please configure fallback strategy as a value. Okay. Since I'm using the credit cards container, I have opened this trigger NBA grow credit cards strategy. Okay. So in this, you can see we have an extension point called a post action import extension. Okay. So just open this. Okay. In this, we have another embedded strategy called NBA post action import extension. Open this strategy and view the siblings and see if we have already present one in our application. Yes, we have one in our CDH artifacts. Open that. So here, let me, in this set property, I will be adding an exception. I will be adding a logic which raises an exception. So .py note is equal to 1 divided by 0. So which will raise divide by 0 exception. Okay. Now, let us quickly run the Postman. Let us quickly test this container service using Postman. I'm sending the request. So now let us see what happens in the response. So you can see here we got 500 internal server error. So error occurred in the strategy execution. Results are from fallback strategy. So the py name, which is nothing but the name attribute, is having the value as please configure fallback strategy, which is expected. Yeah. So you can just configure this fallback strategy to have some dummy actions as output. Okay. Suppose if your container is actually got some exceptions, container strategy got, your trigger strategy got exceptions during its execution. During that time, you can just update your fallback strategy with actual dummy offers, and those offers will be sent to the customer. Okay, awesome, guys. So I hope you have enjoyed this real-time container series exclusively about the addition of the extension points and other configurations. Okay. So please try to practice these extension points and let me know through the direct message on my LinkedIn, or you can use the forum available in the hobbyengineeringdeck.com. So that is our website, or you can just add your comment in the YouTube video itself. So I will be happy to help you. So yeah, see you in the next video, team. So thank you so much for your time.